All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. And my first question is, what do you do to relax?
I do relax with watching movies and dramas, so I feel relaxed as very much. So I watch movies like for relaxation to movies, foreign movies, Hollywood movies. So
Okay, so you watch Hollywood movies to relax yourself. That's good. Do you think playing sports is a good way to relax?
yes, playing sports is good for relax. It is very useful that you relax.
Don't focus on relax, focus on playing sports. So if you play any game, it is very relaxing. While playing the game, you always feel good. You get together with your friends. So I think if you play any game like football or cricket, it is the best way to enjoy yourself. For to relax, you can use the word to enjoy yourself. Okay. All right, let's go on. Do you think students need more relaxing time?
Yes, student needs more relaxing time because the study pressure is very high. So student needs more relaxation for for study.
Okay, this answer is short. You need to add more, at least 4-5 sentences. Okay. All right, thank you. Let's go on. Do you use a wallet?
Yes, I use a wallet because it is very safe. I kept my all money and my cards in there, and I don't use my pockets.
All right. Have you ever lost a wallet?
Yes, I have lost my wallet on my family trip. I lost my wallet because I am very selfish about these things, so I lost my wallet.
Not selfish. I'm careless.
I am careless.
Okay, and your answers are too short. Just try to add 5-6 sentences.
Yes, sir.
Let's go on. Have you ever sent a wallet to someone as a gift?
Yes, I have sent a wallet to my girlfriend on her birthday, and she really likes that wallet, and she is currently using that wallet,
Very
and I'm
good.
planning to give her a phone on her next birthday.
All right, that's very good. Okay, so have you ever received a wallet as a gift?
Yes, I have received a wallet from her on my birthday.
Because when you give a wallet,
Yes.
you receive a wallet.
Yes, I have received a wallet. Now I have received an AirPods, so I am giving a phone on her birthday, which
Good.
is coming on 14th of December.
Wow, 14th December. So you can wish her happy birthday.
Happy
here.
birthday.
Name-
Advance happy birthday.
Name, with the name you can wish. That's better.
Name here.
Doesn't matter. Who knows? We have a camera at the front and we will send it to your dad. That your son is giving gifts and all that, huh?
Sir, he knows.
And he knows, or then she must be your fiance.
Yes.
Not, yeah.
No, her brother knows, but not her family.
No, but
members.
what about her dad? Now, like your dad knows?
Yes, my dad and my parents.
Because
my
your dad
parents
is your
knows.
best friend.
Yes, my best.
He knows.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, that's interesting, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.